In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and decide if you want to delete your photos from Photos or one of your albums. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, just click on this icon at the top right corner, this one with a check mark. Now click on this one, also at the top right corner, and as you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected. Now, to keep some of them, slide your finger across all of those you wanna keep. And to get rid of the rest, use bin button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. It works wherever you pick, albums or photos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!